expressions of gratitude and hope. This is a moment to look back with pride and forward with courage. To deliver the farewell address, may I call on Zoe Frisha R. Chamson with honors from grade 6 Dapu. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Good afternoon to each and everyone who are present today. Our respected school principal, Mr. Martin A. Melendez, the principals of Cluster 4, Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Mark Jason G. Espinosa, Parent Supervisor, Dr. Cesar Chester Orelieve, and so our guest speaker, teachers, beloved parents and guardians, and fellow graduates. Today is not just an ordinary day. Today, we celebrate a journey. Yes, a journey. A journey of discovery and growth, of triumphs and trials, and most of all, a journey for our future. I speak to you not just a student who struggled for high grades, but as a grateful child, a dreamer, a believer in what we, this young generation, can become. Looking back in all those years, when we were young, a children, barely knew anything. Slowly, we learned the alphabet, counting numbers, and how to read. Then, we started dreaming of big things, such as being someone special, famous, and successful. Sometimes, we think of our dreams as really impossible and we hesitate to pursue it. But what we really need is a push to do better. Let us thank all these amazing people pushing us to be our best and make things possible. We are grateful to our Almighty Father who we always feel His presence. When we feel close to giving up, these people assure us that we can do it. Fellow graduates, allow me to introduce to you the selfless and loving persons who always encourage me to be happy and responsible. My dear parents and also my grandparents. Thank you. Without our family, we cannot achieve anything and all our dreams will not be within our reach. So my dear batchmates, can you please stand up? Together, let us say we love you mom and dad or whatever you call the person who raised, supported, and guided you, and thank you. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. We love you mom and dad and thank you. You may now take your seats. To our teachers, especially to my advisor, Ma'am Ramos, thank you for shaping not only our mind but also our character. You didn't just teach us numbers, words, or facts. You taught us how to care, how to lead, and how to rise each time we fell. You were our guide in a world that sometimes felt too big for us. And because of you, our teachers, we now dare to dream bigger. I was taught by many excellent teachers with meaningful and updated lessons. What else do we wish for? And to my dear schoolmates, especially my friends, please tap yourselves in the shoulder since all of us did a great job. Thank you for the fun times. We overcome our schoolworks, all our performance tasks, outputs, and extracurricular activities outside school. We are stronger together. Our talents are gifts not just for our own success, but for helping others to succeed too. We don't leave anyone behind, whether they are slow learners, shy classmates, or those struggling with problems we cannot always see. As we enter junior high school, let us promise to take every learning opportunity seriously. Not because we want to succeed, but because we know that a better educated generation is a stronger foundation for our country. All things we share, we surely miss. As they say, why there is good in goodbye and well in farewell, is it good and well at all? I believe that in every goodbye, there's something good to happen, and in every farewell, something right is to follow. Everyone, as we say goodbye to our elementary years, may I just remind you all that greatness is not how high we reach, but how many others do we lift along the way. Thank you, and once again,